Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to create a Gmail account without a phone number. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to your Gmail app. I created a couple of emails, so I'm going to be clicking on add another account. So once you actually click on add another account, it's going to take you straight to this page where it's going to ask you to like set up your Gmail account. So I'm going to be clicking on Google. So after I click on Google, it's going to take me straight to the next page. So it's going to take you to a place where it's going to ask you to create an account. So basically you need to actually select what kind of account you are creating. So if you know you want to create a personal email account, you could select a personal email account. But if you know you want to create a business email account, you could also create a business email account. So for the purpose of this video right here, I'm going to be selecting a business account. So I'm going to be clicking on business. So once you actually click on it, it's going to take you straight to this page. You need to enter your first name, so I'm going to be doing that right here, and then enter your last name. So once you're done entering that, all you need to do is to click on next. So once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to the next page where they're going to ask you to select the month and the year. So basically I'm actually going to be filling that out, and I'm going to be getting back to you guys. Done with that, just click on next. It's going to take you to this page where it's going to ask you to choose your Gmail address. So I'm going to be picking one of these email address. I'm going to be clicking on next. So once you actually click on next, it's going to take you to this page where it's going to ask you to set up your password. Once you're done setting up your password, just click on next. So it's going to take you to this page. Just click on next again. So once you actually click on next again, scroll down a little bit. So you're going to ask you to actually agree to their terms and conditions. Just click on I have agreed with your terms and conditions right here. Like you just click on agree right here. That's going to take you straight to the next page. So guys, this right here is actually loading right here. So let's just wait for it to load. That is how you could actually create a Gmail account without a phone number. So basically you can see right here that our email account has been created. So I know you guys might be asking, okay, why did they not ask us for a phone number? So the reason they did not ask us for a phone number is because we actually created a business account. So we actually created a business email account. So if you're actually going to be creating a personal account, so it's actually going to take you to a stage where they're going to ask you to like fill out your phone number. So but once you actually scroll down a bit, you're going to see an option where it's going to say skip. So once you actually click on skip part, it'll give you the ability to actually skip that part. And once you actually skip that part, you'll be able to like create a Gmail account without a phone number. So I hope this video helps you out, and if you know you did, please don't forget to give the video a like, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video.